So if I had one word to describe Arch, they're very dynamic. The investment that they made to grow the company is very good. I'm a machinist here at Arch, and I lead the Swiss turning group and the CNC turning group. Also, I work in the 5-axis milling department. Arch has impacted me personally. They've invested in me with training, moving from the Swiss turning into the 5-axis milling. I've always been a teacher. Wherever I am, I like to encourage people to learn. I've had several machinists working with me who I've been able to develop their skills. Now I've been able to leave the department in the hands of one of those machinists. It allows me to go develop my skills elsewhere. I really enjoy working in the medical device field. The work that we do is important. So when I get up in the morning, I'm excited to come to work.